Alam nyo, si God, He is a businessman, a wise businessman, and He requires fruit, a return on His investment. Si God nag-i-invest sa ating buhay. Nag-i-invest siya ng talento, skills, nag-i-invest siya sa iyo ng blessing, and in return, tinitingnan niya rin, mapagkakatiwalaan ka ba? So, be faithful to the things that has given to us. Our possession, our talents, and abilities. Huwag mong sayangin yung mga bagay or opportunity na pinagkalob sa'yo at binigay sa'yo ng Diyos. Utilize it. Gamitin mo yan, paghusayin mo yan, at ingatan mong huwag mawala sa'yo. Pagtrabahuhan mong ito ay lumago. And most of all, use that abilities or talents para maglingkod kay God. And I think that is the best thing to do.